Do you want $1,300 of free Ridgid stuff? Stick around and I'll show you how. It is that time of the year again. For those who are not familiar, it is the Ridgid Spring Promo deal. Now, if you're just entering into Ridgid equipment, or if you're looking to upgrade or add to your existing equipment, this is the time. For those looking at purchasing a full-size reel, if you get any of their larger reels as well as large monitor or the more advanced monitor, they are sending you a NaviTrack Scout for free. That's a value of almost up to $1,600. Now, if the full-size reel is too much for you and you were looking at more of the compact reels, if you get any of the compact reels, a monitor and locator, they are going to send you a free flex shaft, the K9-102, up to a $1,000 value. If the compact is still too large for you and you were looking at one of the micro drains, the micro reels, or the nano reel, such as what I have right here, Ridgid is going to send you the monitor, the CA350, for free. Now that's a value about, let me check here, a little over $500. So those are just a few examples of some of the inspection promos going on at the moment. Now Ridgid is doing a lot more, especially when it comes to drain cleaning, and they do have a press tool promo as well, so be sure to check that all out. Now the big question is, how do I redeem it? When you make your purchase at Ohio Power Tool of the qualifying goods, we will send you an invoice copy. You will then go to ridgid.com/promotions to upload a copy of that document as well as put in your shipping information. Once submitted, this might take up to 4 to 6 weeks for your free good to come from Ridgid. Purchases must be made between March 1st and May 31st, 2021. All redemptions must be received by Ridgid no later than June 30th, 2021. Thank you guys for watching. I'm hoping you can take advantage of this promotion going on right now. If you do have any questions, feel free to give us a call or stop on in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also hit the bell. Thank you for watching.